Welcome back to Weld Fab World. In this video, we're going to learn the basics of electrode consumption calculation, a must-know concept if you want accurate welding estimates, cost control, and better material planning. Let's get started. First, what is electrode consumption? In welding, electrode, or filler metal, is consumed as it deposits molten metal into the joint. Calculating how much electrode your job requires helps you estimate cost, procure the right amount, and reduce waste. Different welding processes, like SMAW, GMAW, FCAW, or SAW, have different deposition efficiencies, meaning not all electrode weight becomes weld metal. Let's do a simple calculation. Suppose you have a single V-groove but weld with these dimensions: base metal thickness 15 mm, bevel angle 35 degree, root gap 3 mm, reinforcement 3 mm, weld length 1000 mm, density 7.85 gram cube. First, calculate weld cross-sectional area by breaking the groove into simple shapes, triangles and rectangles. Multiply area by weld length to get volume. Then multiply volume with density to get the weight of weld metal. Finally, divide by deposition efficiency to get electrode required. Different welding processes have different deposition efficiencies. For example, GTAW, TIG, 95 to 98%. SMAW, stick, 60 to 65%. GMAW, MIG, 95 to 99%. FCAW, 80 to 85%. SAW, wire only, approximately 99%. Lower efficiency means more electrode weight of weld metal and more wastage of electrode. Here are some tips. Always include reinforcement and root gap in calculations. Use correct density for your weld metal. Don't assume 100% efficiency. That only happens in perfect conditions. Calculating electrode consumption saves time, money, and surprises on your welding project. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for downloadable tools and calculators.